Agartala Press Club kan tlinga ta yan Zandria kan nei do ni Agartala Press Meeting milong mo ka ei in milo siam sakani ro pu khap mai Ini adalah Presiden Room ni ya, John Secretary Room ni. Ini adalah Common Room yang. Lahi. Ini conference hall ni apa ni? How to teh? Nah, cukup tani.
Our home for learning. So you are most so nothing to be relaxed here. And very good that after a long time actually we have seen our fellow friends. I used to go to Mizoram for many purposes. Earlier I was in television, then also I went there. That time I was face to face. Then I also went for research purpose and all that. And H.C. Bhanlal Wala, he was my batchmate in Delhi. So we stayed together. And he's very fond of rice. But he cannot cook. And I am also fond of rice. But I can cook. So I used to cook, and he said, when you cook, I will clean up the utensils. So after eating together, I was relaxing and he was cleaning. Because earlier he was relaxing and I was cooking. So that was the bonding like this. So I could be very happy that if he had come here. Because 2 times he made attempts to come here. Once he started even, but due to flood he was stuck on and he could not come. So now still I work for PTI as editorial person. I do write for Assam paper. And also I write for website. So can I get a formal introduction like this? Please, if you don't need to stand up. Just tell your name and where you work. I introduce my comrades. He is Ramadanto De. He is our secretary, and he is working for Dainik Sambad. Is the largest circulating newspaper. Then he is Shoruli Paul. He has his own news channel, and he is the editor. Then he is Kamal Chaudhuri, and he is working with Daily Deshipata, the largest circulating. And he is Monish. He is working for AIR, Akashvani. And Ranjan, he is basically working for Tripura Times, the largest circulated English daily here. But he works for multiple organizations. That is the thing. And I think you know so that is from me. So now you would like to be introduced.
Yes.
Can you call them?
Let me start by saying thank you, our esteemed president of Agartala Press Club, Jayanto Bhattacharya, Dada. And Secretary Ramakantale. Thank you. Thank you for arranging this beautiful program in a short notice. We never expect this kind of reception and hospitality, but here we are. Thank you. Actually, this group of journalists, either from ISO, some of them can speak English, but most of them are having hard time English. But they write well, including myself. I'm good in English, not in speaking, but in writing. That's the thing. That's how we do it. Anyway, the purpose of the visit to Agartala is mainly because earlier we used to go to Mysore, Bangalore, Mumbai, Puducherry, or northern part, some part of India. But later on, we realized that there is one size-wise small, but population is much bigger. Anyway, Tripura, our neighbor, very advanced. Like Assam is, to some extent, we can't compare Assam with other states, but among other 7 sisters, Tripura is, the exemplary state. So we decided that let's go there. Let's visit their Indo-Bangla border trade. Let's visit their station. Let's visit their industrial estates and see what we can observe and take some positive back to our state. For that purpose, we are arranging this visit. This is organized by Information and Public Relations. That is equivalent to Information and Cultural Affairs here in Tripura. So totally we are 15 in numbers. The member of journalists. The assistant leader, Mr. Moya Saido, Larry Moya Saido, is the GS itself. General Secretary, Mizoram Journalists Association. Mizoram Journalists Association is the umbrella which encompass all the journalists in Mizoram. So they are all affiliated to MJA. Some freelance journalists are here and there, like YouTubers, some Facebook journalists, some vloggers, some photojournalists. Few are there, but mainstream journalists are all encompassed by this MJA. So it's a powerful one, the Mizoram Journalists Association. They are, in fact, they are facing their election, I think, in this month. So in Mizoram, so new leaders will come up in that time, I think. So anyway, thank you, sir. I'll start with the introduction. As I call out their name, they'll rise from their seat and likewise. I have the list. Again, I say thank you. The CS will start here. Then I forgot to include one staff from INPR, Putiaman Meetings. He is our senior photographer over there in INPR, so he'll pass that introduction. I think they can start. Thank you.
Actually, this year.
Okay.
So this is a special. We call it tutorial.
It's an honor. It's a privilege. Thank you, sir. Sir, please.
Sao? Hey, Roto.
Yung hotel ni mo.
Calendar
Yeah.
2024 for the office and the secretary office, I think.
Yeah.
So this is the one, and this is Mizoram diary for the president and for the secretary, and this is the secretary. I think it's the vice. And this is one. This one is for the secretary, the president, and this one is for the secretary. And still we have this one for the president. Double. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. I'm so glad. Really good.
Tunahian dar so ma se na Zandria kan e ve don chini kep ma Hey, purun senti vel ni ngemoni. Ni dal. Hey, boksa.
Paneer. Chicken tau, chicken.
Ini apa? Paneer mo. Paneer. Mo.
Chicken.
Asa. So the
Ini kita. Chutney nih.
chutney. Nanti. Ani su.
हम लोग घर में चटनी पानी नहीं है ये तो पनीर टेस्ट करेगा
Tahan kan hot put teh. Itu yang kontol dari sini. Ini lampi agak tala klub ka presidente John presidente. John hen agak tala an industry. Pakatakan kaldo na industry hinlo nga khop ma kan plan pel zut ma he dengan industry bernge kan selova ya kan lu don hilen poli tho hom kom ma he ren don ni Ari hum mai ni. Mau sawngbawlna. Nhiều này kìa. Nhìn trên nghe ăn lâu kỳ ní bị này. Cái khá nên đo này. เนี่ยช่วงแล้วมาโคลกันหมูตาของข้านที่เฮียนอาปุ่มมาตรงอินโคลมังอินอันเพลที่เฮียนซีนตะกินอันเพลนี่ปัดเอ้ยซีนเดี๋ยวนั่นเพลนี่ที่เฮียนที่นั่นเขาเราเลยอ่ะมาโบฮีรำดังมสเตดังรันละลูดเล่มละวันมานี่เฮียนอันนี้ตัวเดลมันนี่ทีนี้รำมามันก็ตัวเดลตุ่มเนี่ยด้วยนังเราเจ้าแห้งหูสังเฮียนอันนั้นเสียมชัวกันนี่เฮียนมามังมาวันเสียมนะมามังทิลดังนั้นเสียมชนนะอินดัสทรีจุกันฟังเจ้าตาสู้หันทลักอันพันโลวางินถ้าพอขดวนเราเทโลอารุกช่วงนั้นละครับวันนี้ทุ่มแบบช่วงบักกระชุนเราว่าตั้งก็ตะกันมังสินเตะนั้นเทียสินบักขานินอันเทียนะอันน้อยอังชีจะบอกว่าทิลต่างตั้งก็เดินมังตะฟูนี่ให้กันรำมินมากันบ่อยปื้อรถชนนี่ไปทิลจนสะคบไหมตัวไหนยันรับบาร์เสียมนะมุระกันกันเลยโดนนะพลาสติก2 บอลนะมุนตีเตะกันการเปลี่ยนสุดๆอ่ะอุ้ยสะคบไหมกับบาร์เสียมนะฮิเวลไหมอ่ะอุ้ยนะอุ้ยทะเลาะกันพลังแกโมมาลายารับบาร์คอมพานีมาลายารับบาร์คอมพานีอันนี้เหรอช่วงนี้ทะเลาะกันพันลมไม่เท่าช่วงมันพันโลเลยตกที่เฮียนมันรูดเพลงมันกันว่าของเรียนโดนนี่บิลยังเนี่ยไลน์อันออฟฟิศโซ่ลำโพงโซ่เสียงน้ำมันเท่านี่อุ้ยอันนี้ตกไหมนะเขาเลยไปกับใครคนเลยกันเที่ยวโซ่เลยตอนนี้มันรูดแบบชิ้นพอดีไงtrain station rail station อ่ะกันเลยกันแข่งตายอ่ะบางเลสเดสตั้งแต่ตอนกลางอินเดียจังตะปันลำให้บางเลสลำตั้งเห็นบางเลสสังตั้งข้างลำตั้งเห็นนอนกลางนะที่อันเดียนี่โอ้แม่มาฮีบางเลสเรลเลยอินเดียลำเรลอันนี้ทรานสิตนะอันนี้โอ้แม่เรลเบรหิมูตุรอมลว่าทางการฟังเรลล้วนเนี่ยเรลสเตชันก็ไม่คงเฮขัดดิทุมลีเลนทุมโอ้เลนลีเอามาคือไรครับจ้าเฮลัยยันนี่ทรานสิตา công bật lý chỗ lâu này lâu xong số lại bỏ xuống bật ní ở lâu lòng và rục lại ông này chứ yan sao nhiều khúc mà tại cột xỉl nó tệ mà chỉ drinking water thì chúng ta đã không nên trả đòn rồi này là function rồi xiêm mẹ cái này trái lại rồi này chín to này mà ba ngày rồi chuan là cái lâu này số shooting ăn lâu này nè ba nó sẽ chép khóc mà hay không phụng mà với này ni sông Pathum mà nè với nhà gar tala kan top bên tu ra nè tu na hian lal in kan phang lệ lok don na lal in te museum te kan en lệ lok don nè chuan gar tala kan hun pan chuk kan du tok don na zai na hian gar tala mizo welfare ten minon mudona an fakom khup maya kan kalpui kan thian pa sana to sung changa po dam doi ne kan pan rap ra chunga te po chuan an mizo welfare te an ron lang zat maya an fakom hle ni zaina vein khom dona tin journalist ni zan nama zan dia min bo sai tu lo zok te ni zan min bo zan ra min bo sai sak tu te kha press club an nia press club lo hian thuang hiangin press mi chon chin bumi te hen lo ma journalist te chung ji nga pakhat chuanin zaina hem ron kom bok nga ke chon hun kan la mang ke mani ro chu tun ba hi kan chuak to don lo ni la hian I love Agartala di den lo tara hey I love you champai ne ka chuin ang lo le tho mai he cha he ya he lal in ani ya ki pui ki an lal lim nge mo ni don
an lal pa lim chi liam he
yo la chuan ya
ani like it.
US White House te po ang alom mo le hey chung lam tang la pe che chonin White House nen ang view don isa chep maya na khop mai lai vai pani tel lo hian na khop mai kaya hay kumpar em thấy tiếc mày muốn ngon khóc mày và ngon em muốn chứ ngon kệ ta cái này hà đâm xuống sống mấy lắm lệ khai thuyền số được số căn thuyền đến khăn lâu là mệt bốc àวันnào ngày em muốn đi cal tội nó mấy thấy cái có phải khát cả na nè rồi bụi khóc mà khép mà thì tụi tôi phân tầm mèo khóc mà sao anh lụt chuột số mấy này hay là mà hay ngăn thiền thế than lâu in lạc sắp cái này bọn hắn là về lóc nè tôi là rau bụi tôi mà thành phải trép đó anh bố lúc bữa bỏ sao lên selfie ngar mấy này ngar mẹ hay là thành công lại party mọi top wowวันนี้ top mấy này mọi lưu gì hết số là để bảo tồn là mà giao thế mày hết tiền bol pay rui mày đây par borang đấyわbục lụi lụi hơi xí đar thinh anh lâu xịt ngày lâu ta kín cái bao có phải xịt na nhá mình dâu chọn cold dyeกันทีนี่chú mình bỏ lên cà phê rồi ạ liền truck hop mà hey reng lal in dik tak jok chú moนี่มันกันฝันคาเรงแล้วนี่นะมันกันเที่ยวเรานี่ละว่า water palace นั่นติค่ะกันเราที่สวนเดอร์มาให้เรงแล้วอินดิกตักจอกข้าเรานี่เรียนรู้ตุกเขียนจะเล็กง่ายลัดเรียนมิวเซียมกันชัวสนะอันน้อยกันลู่ตาช่วงถ้าเรากันพันโลวางินถ้าเรากันพันนับปัจจุประคัดเวลามีเล่าเป็นพันสักมีโซ่culture ลำปังอลันเวนาเตกันหันละบักชูเรากันพันโลวางที่เฮียนแต่เฮียนินกันชัวกะคงขาดส่วนเฮียนเกนนเรียนปุ๋ยไม่เลยหุ่งทั่วไม่ซอเนี่ยเดี๋ยวส่วนกันหุ่นสู้เราโดนตาเดียนโซ่ตาสักกันดูเพจจังนะคะเนี่ยเทียนให้ไว้เอาแต่อันชัวร์ดำเวลาเทียนนี่เราเลยบอสเมกบอกอะมันหาเข้ามาให้มันมิวเซียมช่วงเฮียนนี่มีน้ำกันโตระบาร์ทิ้งข้าให้มันมิวเซียมช่วงเทนขตาเฮียนอัดสวดผาเลยอบังอันมังชักเข้ามาที่เขาก็ใส่เจลดูให้มันมิวเซียมช่วงเฮียนนี่มีโซ่culture ไก่ตัวอ่ะมูตุระทำไม่หล่อมันครบมาเป็นจำพายขวาเลยไอโซลขวาเตะตาร์ลานันนี่พอนี่ทลากเนี่ยที่เด็กข้ายังใส่บอกกันนี่ชูพอเรามาต้องเห็นคิวเลยสวยละช่วงนี้กันเฮลกัวละช่วงจังอินเฮตายน้อยจังเฮกันกันละสวยตรงกันมิวเซียมตุนมาจวนไอ้ assembly house มันที่นั่นเนี่ยจอยกลุ่มสารนี่ส่งประคัตจังคันนี่ตั้งกระเสียมิวเซียมมันอันนี้ตานี่ให้เร่งลัลอินดิกตักจอกสุเราเนี่ยนี่มีนักกันนะ water palace ค่ะเร่งลัลอินเนี่ยหมกันเราเตี้ยเรานี่ละวันนี่ที่ที่พวกเขาสวยเฟียเลยนี่ตาเสละให้เร่งลัลอินมันไล่ปีปูเต้นมิโซปีปูเต้นเร่งลัลอินที่ข้าเฮงเอ้ยเรานี่กันเชียงตัวที่ข้ากันสวยนี่ที่ยังกันกันต่อด้วยนี่เลยยันเร่งลัลอินชุกันชัวสันต่อด้วยนะเร่งลัลอินชูเองที่จะบอกลงเกิดเถียเร่งลัลอินชูเมารุ่งทนทัวขันก kan riat kha mau ruangi pasal lal in kha ni kha chiang mai ome a nimina water palace kan kalna kha nipui lai vela kholum tak tak laya a ha dam na ha chol thin na ni a nipui zo chuan helai huna hian an om thin thunga ni zaina agartala mizo welfare ten ngon kom dona daruka hunti amani atu dar nga pel to a kan ho phei dona ni chuan zaini na vek hian agartala journalist ten khatten ngon kom don boka te chuan agartala kan hun manchu kan ti top dona ni naktu ka pathian zar kan dam pathian remati chuan Mizoram lampanin kan honga silchara kan riak zok anga ro man lockdown chuan zan khat kan rian nuwa aizol pan lại đó này ngayam dong khop mai museum chunga thalak then kata chon he helai var pup mai hemi che rual niom tak var pup a hian in helai hi sipai an ding khat phei thup mai ni sipai ho an ding khat phei thup a tui omna ma khatia lo ni chi a me lo ni tu nuan da ani chon thu san lo ni sela museum alanda na chon then kha museum a thalak then khat alanda chon sipai ho an khat vekani hi ta India flag lian pui yang bok kha Bangladesh border Indo border ra flag lian to ang tho kha kita hian lian to kan lo zar bok ani le to dog ri phodan helai hun chu China mi te kha mizo welfare time ne to na hen senior journalist ho ne ta hen le me ka ni
He had some medication also. like BP medication, sugar medication, he collapsed on that ICT. So luckily we got help from that DSF, Zawans, and our ICA officer, DPTG and others. They respond. They are very prompt, and we were able to come back and put it here. Then we went for breast up. And when we came back, suddenly he got worse. Then immediately GB hospital. GB hospital. Then there. Yes, that's why we go further quickly. But the thing is that we were worried that
Tại công tác quý tắc tắc journalist association agar tana journalist association thế này cái này đó nó bây giờ này nó một thế ngày suy nó thế còn làm đó này ngày còn lụt cho nó cái mình học đây đấy á
short English, then continue Mizo, then come to English again, English. So actually this evening we are very thankful that our press tour, which is being organized by Information Public Kala, IPR Han ICA Oma in Park in Mindong Songtra, Abita Gibu, Director who been Bisara, Buena Goya, Antok Chak there, the Relote program and Mansupon Imani Patna, Kobin, Minvabuya, Imani Ain and Pelizoga, Azir to Zoga, to Pania, tlawh. They do a Naya, Yabitakin, who Bibutia, in Taiwan to special memory to one to Kansoya, Tarla, Tuachuan, Atopna, Tenate, Vivanate, Quilo, and the house also means for a Papa. So doing in what says Avalia, came ahead and look, Emma, to Kasoya. Now that sir, we come to the end of our stay here in Tripura. We have few items that is nothing but as a token of our appreciation for what you've done to us. I would like to hand these things to starting from Director Sir, Joint Director Sir, Senior Information Officer and others, and especially Journal and Deputy. So Imami will help assist me in this presentation. Afterward, after we finish felicitation from our side, they will introduce themselves one by one. So afterwards, we'll give it back to the program. So, it natin mas intro. Ini nama minat. Then I think this is for you, and this is for and I'll reserve this for you. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Ngồi khóc mày. Look, wait. Still. Jangan pause lah, baru.
mentor to India, guiding me all over today, we have to go back to this only.
Good evening to all. Actually, you have come, I think, on 12, no? That is 11 nights, 12 and 13. Yes, sir. 14 you are living. So it is a very short tour itself. Whenever you got the information that you desire to come, and actually as I am working with this Information Cultural Affairs Department as Director, quite naturally I had the opportunity to interact with the government also. And they are also actually very happy to receive such information. And I believe that this type of exchange program between the interstates, it should be a continuous process. So first of all, I convey my sincere thanks to the department of the Mizoram government who actually give the new path, and we also will try to follow this. This is the very first thing. Second thing is that basically my experience in particular department is not so much. I joined there on 10th of May, so it is 10 months or 11 months. Now the issue is that we know everybody, maybe in the department, may not be in the department, maybe serving, may not be the serving, but we are all quite acquainted about the enormous influence of the media in building our society. It is not a new phenomenon. Actually, just now today we are discussing on a different aspect of the election. The first newspaper in India was published in 1780. At that time, and after that, the main thrust of the newspaper was building the Renaissance. You know, that is the rejuvenation of the Indian culture at that time. After that, before the pre-independence period, they fought against the British regime. And after the British independence, this media, they have become the pioneer in building the society, what today we are. Now, everybody, not only say, the whole perspective has been changed over the last few years due to the technological advancement. Now social media is there. Now the entire village entire world is now village. Basically within a tip of time you can see what is going on in America, you can see Aizawl, you can see Guwahati. All the information is now lies in this particular mobile phone. And in this particular age, I believe the scope, the challenges before the media has been enhanced. Earlier, after say 150 years ago, 40 years ago, the media person who are doing the work, they have also a lot of obstacles. There was the least number of avenues to have the information, no such computer connectivity, no such internet connectivity, but they have some also advantages also. Now it's a deep neck competition among the within the media houses also. Now, under this perspective, apart from the mainland India, I believe whatever I saw in this particular serving in this department, in our state also, apart from this Agartala or some suburban cities, particularly in the inner pockets, in the remote areas, the journalists are facing lots of problems. Particular problem is that he is only one individual. There is some sort of in few cases there is the communication bar also. He is the only person, may not have the so much well-laid pay structure particularly for him. But still, all the media personnel, from since morning to the night, they are delivering. That's why we are advanced. Up to the age of say up to 18, we usually pass the class 12. Thereafter we go to the schools and colleges. But thereafter our formal education stopped. After this stoppage of the formal education, whatever we know, that is only through media. May it be social media, may it be electronic media, may it be print media. So, first of all, not as an say particular department, etc., but as a part of the other than humanity, other than journalist. I sincerely convey my things, all the media personnel present here, just like what our people are doing in our state, facing some inconveniences, some obstacles, there may be some, in some cases also the financial crunches, but they are doing their work. I believe in your case also, here you are the 14 or 15, but you are representing your entire state. So I convey my sincere thanks to you as a part of the media pattern. Second is that you have come on 11th, 12th and 13th, you are here. Whatever we have noticed, our people are there. That is the most humbleness and polite and gentle behavior. That's the thing actually. I believe everybody should learn from the behavior pattern from you. You people are very humble and you have helped us to execute our responsibility in flawless manner in every step. Because it is not a one-way function. No? Our people are doing work, but you are also reciprocating in such a manner so that this entire journey has become a very good one. Second thing, hopefully, I will also try to take up our government with our government to make this a habit so that our people can go to the Aizawl or in some other states, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, so that such type of interaction may continue and then after move to the mainland state also. So at last I will not continue, I will not prolong this discussion, but first of all, particularly for these 2 or 3 days, that is a very good, vivid experience for us also to deal with you. Secondly, okay, there is a part of the life only. One of your colleagues, one of our guests, he suddenly got ill. I believe that by the Almighty will do everything so that he become well and he started his works in a very full-fledged manner. please kindly convey our sincere wishes, gratitude to him also. Tomorrow I think tomorrow you will start the return journey. I from our department, from everything, sincerely wish that all the coming days for you become colorful, and hopefully after a particular interval we have the opportunity to meet again. You please come to Tripura again. We will also try to go there so that our relationship remain alive for us and for the entire people. Thank you. Thank you.
tuna ron soi zong zong kha tin athia ni dia kan ti le don cho con ni to don yo me until don hi water polish lemon in kafia nang khop mai cho con đi đón bye vì là hmun a hian in light on atuma doorbell lo ni siam met ri kang mai ni tlan chena samai light on tumin doorbell a met pak lau mai a dengan lokal kuat saya lah dining and restaurant hello ta ko mai ta hian choi in tua sai saka tu yang hep solo tak food mai salad dal fry kodok gitu fish curry teh chicken kasar teh rondo tan hal mop mới đó này thì nhá dal hi akan khop mai sanakan sanga ani so ni hi arsa
This chicken.
hay non da bel chia hi godok anh kia godok ini godok
Mix.
hi beguni salad lampang nyom tak ni tu
Turun kacang lampang.
Voksa Coroi ani
Fish curry. Fish curry? Yes. Chicken? Pork?
Bayu lo kok main-main suada ngan ni Jul Garo Rồi kan do về đón to mà mới để ăn nè kan ấy về to nghe đây bye bye vek boleh next video kan lo tile pitak lagi ini boleh dong nih